Are you tired of messy cuts and wasting hours with outdated cutting tools? Then stay tuned, because in today's video we're diving into the best 3 plasma cutting machine you can buy on Amazon right now. Whether you're a professional welder, a garage DIYer, or just starting out in metalworking, these machines are built to give you fast, precise, and clean results every single time. We'll cover the top features, real customer reviews, pros and cons, and most importantly, why these cutters are exactly what your workshop needs. So, if you're in the USA and want power, efficiency, and value, keep watching because this list will save you both time and money. Product 1. The Lotus LTP 5800D Plasma Cutter is designed for both professionals and hobbyists who want powerful cutting without breaking the bank. Why you need it? It can cut stainless steel, mild steel, and aluminum up to 1 inch thick, perfect for auto repair shops, construction work, or even farm projects. Pros. Non-touch pilot arc for smooth cuts, dual voltage, 110V/220V, lightweight and portable, great price to performance ratio. Cons. Requires a steady air compressor, not ideal for very heavy industrial use. Customer reviews. Users in the US love its reliability and clean cutting results. One buyer said, "It slices through quarter-inch steel like butter. Best tool I've ever bought for my garage." Product 2. The built hard plasma cutter is an excellent choice for beginners who want to learn without spending thousands. Why you need it? If you're new to welding or working on DIY projects, this machine is easy to set up and operate while still giving professional results. Pros. Budget-friendly, compact design, 50 amp cutting power, dual voltage support, easy to transport. Cons. Not suitable for continuous heavy-duty use, shorter duty cycle. Customer reviews. Many beginners in the US say it's a perfect first plasma cutter. One customer shared, "I was nervous about plasma cutting, but this machine made me feel like a pro. It's easy and safe to use." Product 3. For those who want advanced features and stronger performance, the Best Arc BTC 500 XP is a fantastic option. Why you need it? It's built with modern IGBT inverter technology, which means stable arc, clean cuts, and lower power consumption. Great for workshops, fabrication businesses, or regular home use. Pros. High efficiency, non-touch arc start, precise cutting even on painted or rusty metal, handles thicker materials with ease. Cons. Slightly higher price compared to entry-level models, requires basic plasma cutting knowledge. Customer reviews. US buyers love its power and precision. A professional fabricator wrote, "I've used plasma cutters for 10 years, and this one is outstanding. Fast, smooth, and reliable." Our top 3 plasma cutters on Amazon deliver power, precision, and value. From beginners to pros, these tools save time and money. Check links below, like, share, and subscribe for more reviews. Happy cutting!